Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Want to install all your favorite streaming and utility apps on Firestick or Android TV in just a few clicks? Then APKTime is one of the best app stores you can use in 2026. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install APKTime safely on your Firestick and Android TV step by step. Part 1. What is APKTime? APKTime is a third-party app store that lets you download popular apps for streaming, utilities, tools, media players, and more. It's lightweight, fast, and regularly updated, which makes it a popular choice among Firestick and Android TV users. Part 2. Enable unknown sources. Before installing APKTime, we first need to allow third-party app installations. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Open My Fire TV. 3. Select Developer Options. 4. Open Install Unknown Apps. 5. Enable it for Downloader. Part 3. Install Downloader app. Now we need the Downloader app, which helps us install APK files directly. 1. Open Search. 2. Type Downloader. 3. Install the Downloader app. 4. Open Downloader. Part 4. Download APKTime. Now let's download APKTime. In Downloader, enter the APKTime download URL. Type the URL carefully. Then click Go. Part 5. Install APKTime. Once the download is complete, the installation window will appear automatically. 1. Click Install. 2. Wait a few seconds. 3. Click Done or Open. If you click Done, you can delete the APK file to save storage space. Conclusion. And that's it. That's how you install APKTime on Firestick and Android TV in 2026. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Firestick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.